Hello everybody, welcome to my computer lab and also welcome to my InfoLearn YouTube channels. And today, dear students, I would like to uh, start the new topic. The new topic I'm going to cover about file comparison into the Linux. So let's try to understand the Linux operating system again. Okay, so first of all, what we do every time we create some file or folder. I think you in the last lab, you know what we used mkdir command for creating the directory example. This is the suppose lab 2. Okay, and now we can go to the lab 2. Okay, and now please see here. We can do the practice how we can compare the file. First of all, create a file. How we can create a file? I will create directly with the echo. I want to example put some numbers into the file. So I will print 10, but I will not print this 10 on the screen. I want to redirect in the file. Suppose new file I'm going to create with this. Okay. And now next number you can put here. Let's see this 10. Okay. Now you can see here both number are same, but file are different. Okay, and see what's inside your first file and what's inside your second file, right? Numbers are same. You want to compare. In the Linux, we have a compare command, that is the CMP, and try to give the two files. So compare command, compare two files, okay, but byte wise. See here, output is nothing. That means files are the same. If files are the same, then you will not have any output. Now you can create a file which is different. Let's try to see, put this new number 20. Okay, now you can see files are different. Cat a.text, A file has a 10 and what's in the B file 20. Both numbers are different. Now give this command compare and see the result. Can you see right now? Results looks like both files are different and it will tell you the position. Position mean to say byte. So which byte has a difference? Which line has a difference, right? So please see first line because the moment the file has only one line, first line 10 and second line is has 20. That means both are different numbers. But what is this byte one? It will tell you the real position, right? Can you see? Actually, this is a first byte one. This is first byte in the first line. This is second byte. Okay, so this is the first byte in the second file. This is, so 0 is the same, but difference is 1 and 2. That's why the system is giving you the message you have a byte 1 and line 1 difference. Okay, now I hope you can get it. So it was the compare command with only one value. Now you can compare with two different values more. But before two different value, take one more example with some words, some string. Okay, let's try to see one more file. Okay, so what will be the output, guys, here? If you know, because words are the same, there will be no output. Hello. Okay, in the first file hello, second file hello. That means both are same. We have no any changes. Now try to change. Let's suppose put this xy. Okay, now see here, what will be the output now? Output is like byte 4. Okay, sure, there is a difference. It is true. I want to show you example. First file and second file. Okay, look here. Now see line 1. This is only first line. It is true. But what is byte 4? Byte 4 mean to say position. Can you see right now? This is the byte 4. Okay. HEL 3 bytes. HEL 3 bytes. So 3 bytes are same in the both files. But what about it actually difference start from this byte. L and X are different. That's why you can see this result. I hope you can get. Now try to use some more with some more, how to say, some more value. Example, 2 lines you can put it here. So how we can put a 2 lines here? Let's see. One file is a.text and put some number example here. One more. Okay, now we have 2 numbers. Okay, now create a one more. Let's say example 5 and put in a new file b. Okay, now you can put let's say 20. Okay, so but here, what is this operator? This operator, I am telling you again, please see here, this is a append operation. It is a redirection. Please go to my last video and please see I used it. Okay, now see, you have 2 numbers now. Now try to apply this CMP and see. Can you see right now the difference here? 1020, this value in the first file, 520 is the second file. Now second line is the same. Okay, show the difference in first line. Where is the difference? Byte 1. Can you see right now? This is a 10 and here is 5. So 5, which position? First byte, and 1, which position? First byte. So the difference is on the first byte. That's why you can understand. I hope you can get it. Okay guys, it was our CMP command. Now can we use any another command? Yes, we have one more important command which can help us to see the difference, but difference with the help of content as well. Okay, so how we can do that? Let's try to see. Example, you are sending this word into again hello, and one more example, the same we can see. Okay, but new file is the p, but this time use a diff command. Okay, and use a.text and b.text. Now see the result. Now you can see the difference in different way. So now please have a look. So hello word in the first file is different from hell x word from the second file. So what is this? This means it is a compare of a first line here, So that means you can see the line 1 in the file A should be changed to match line 1 in the file B. That's all. So this is a line actually, so you can get it. Okay, so you can try. This is basically show the difference with the content, and you can see which line has a real difference. Now you can try to do with any other example. Let's say try to see example 10. You can put here and one more, put one more number example. Okay, now you have a file is ready. Now second file should have, let's see, you can give example 15. Okay, and one more number you can take here. Let's see 25, right? Okay, now second file is also ready. So I want to show you, you have first file, you have second file. Now give a command diff a and b and try to see here. So now you have output like a different output. So it is sure in the input 10 and 15. Can you see right now the difference? That means 1 is the same. Okay, but 5 and 0 is different, right? So that's why you can see the difference that show you the output, that first line over here and second column over here. Okay, so that will show that 15 and 25 and 10 and 20 both are almost different in the files. Okay, so it can show you the content wise. So practically this will show you actually the first line, right? This is a first line. Okay, the first line has a difference 10. Can you see right now 10 here 15? Okay, and also it will show you the second line also has a difference. Can you see 20 and 25? Right, so this way you can see it will show you the difference between the file very easily. So which command can help us to do that? Diff command can help us to show the difference between the file only content wise. Okay, so what we can do, there is a one more command. So example echo. So let's see here, you can put some value example here, one more. Take example where you want to put a new file and one more. Let's see. This is 3 file. Now I have 3 file. I want to compare 3 files, right? So I will use a diff3. Okay, diff3. So diff3 mean to say it will compare 3 file line wise. Okay. Now see, it will give you the result because it is sure every file has a different value 102030. That means first file has the different value. Okay, first line. Second file has a different value, first line. Third file has a different value, first line. That means it is different. So diff, it was used for only 2 files, and diff3 used for 3 files. Okay, so it is your choice what you want to compare and which case you can do. Now there is a one more important command which you can also try. So the command is here compare command. So this command, that is a compare command which can compare already if you have a sorted file, that is you need a sorted data. Okay, so let's try to create example file apple example fruit dot text. Okay, and please put one more fruit. Okay, now please put one more fruit here. Okay, so now your fruit file is ready. Sure, you need one more file. Let's see, try to take one more example here. So second file should have take example, give a new file example fruit2. Okay, new name you should give, and here okay, please try to append, and one more fruit you can add example, let's say example peach here. Please do that. Now see here how many fruits you have right now. Can you see right now we created a 2 different files. Okay, this is a fruit.txt and fruit2.txt. So now we have a different fruits here. Some are example apple is here and apple is not here. Banana is here. Banana is here as well. Cherry is here. Cherry is here. You see peach is not here. So but not all files are alphabetically in order A, B, C, and also B, C, P or somehow. Okay, can you see this is sorted? So that's why I would like to use compare command fruit dot text and second fruit 2. Okay, now see the output. So there will be 3 columns. Okay, first column will show you the apple is a unique value in the first file. It is true. Okay, second column will have a unique value in a second file, that is peach. Second file was fruit2. Now what is the third column? Third column will take the common value. Can you see banana is also here, cherry is also here. Okay, so guys, if you want to do such type of a task, if you have a sorted value, you want to categorize based on your requirement, you can use COMM command. That is a compare command again. Okay, and you can also suppress or hide any column based on your choice. Example, if you don't want to print a common value, so give a -3. In that case, this column will not be printed. Let's see. Can you see right now? So similarly, you can try example 1. What does it mean? That means first column is going to be suppress. Look here. So 2 columns are there. Same way you can try with second column suppress. Can you see? So you can omit the column or suppress the column based on your choice. Okay, so you can do the practice like this. So dear students, I think It is enough for the today. And today, I hope you learned about comparing the file into the Linux system. I hope you understood. And if you have any query and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me, or you can write your comments in the comment section. I hope it will help you. And I will meet you in the next lab, hopefully with some new topic. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.